Hey everyone, it's Julie. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my bok choy with portobello mushrooms. You'll need 2 portobello mushrooms sliced, 4 baby bok choy stalks, quarter cup of coconut aminos, 2 garlic cloves grated, and 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it. So after you prep your portobello mushrooms and you slice them into steak slices and cut your bok choy, set them aside, and in a large skillet on medium heat, add the extra virgin olive oil. Allow to heat up for about a minute and add the garlic until it's fragrant. Be careful not to burn the garlic. Add the portobello steaks to the skillet. Add the coconut aminos. Using the tongs, toss the portobello steaks around and allow to cook for about 3 minutes. Cover and cook for about another 2 minutes. Uncover and add the baby bok choy. Cover again and continue to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes or until the bok choy and the portobello steaks are cooked. Portobello steaks will shrink in size. Serve and enjoy.